Hi everyone, how are you all? My name is Shri. I'm going to solve one Python code's question, and the name of the question is replace all vowel to exclamation mark in the sentence. That means we are all know that A E I O U and capital A E I O U are the vowels. So we need to replace all the vowels with the exclamatory mark. Here I is an vowel, so it should be replaced with the exclamatory mark. A, E, I, O, U. Here all the vowels are there. So we must be replaced with the exclamatory mark. Okay, here capital A, B, C, D, E, A and E are vowels. So we are replacing with the exclamatory mark and remaining as it is. Okay, let's me solve it. Here we are taking one output as a string. As an empty string I am taking here output. Let the empty string name is output. Okay, here I am taking the list which contains all the vowels. That means small case vowels and capital case vowels. See, small case vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the capital case vowels are capital A, E, I, O, U. After that, we are iterating each element in the string by using iteration for loop. Why? For I in S. We are checking if the element which are iterating is present in A or not. How we can check? By using in statement. By using in, we can check it. If it is present, we need to add exclamation mark. Means we need to add concatenate output string with exclamatory mark. If it is not there, we need to concatenate with the same. That means same element output plus I. Okay. Then returning the output. That means returning the string which we concatenated. Okay, let's check. Oh, I'm so sorry. Here it should be in brackets. All test cases are passed. Here also all 10 test cases are passed. I hope you understand this question. If you have any queries, please do mention in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.